guys, and welcome back to my channel if you're new here, and even if you're not. I'm Skylar, and today we are going to be cleaning my room. I've been pretty busy these last couple weeks. My room has kind of just been the last thought in my mind. Whenever I had to put something up, it's been put in a pile. You can't see it right now. That's why my room doesn't look terrible, but it has been put in a pile over here behind my bed, so I can't see it. And our AC is out right now, so I've just had no motivation to clean it. As soon as you start doing anything that's not sitting right in front of a fan, you start like sweating, and it's difficult. But I decided that today's the day that I actually need to start cleaning it, so that's what we're gonna do. So let's get to it. When I'm cleaning, I always start with this corner, and that's just because it's like the easiest corner to clean. Down here is where I keep my air wrap, my hair stuff, and some face stuff. Alright, so I finished that corner and it looks a lot better, but my next thing that I need to fix is this gigantic pile of clothes. So what I normally do is I take everything that's in this pile and then I reorganize it on my bed before I then put it up in my closet. I apologize that you can hear my fan, but I can't not have it on. It is so hot. I'm really starting to sweat right now. This is getting difficult. I just finished putting all of my clothes from behind my bed to on my bed. I separated them into piles of light clothing, so just depending on where they need to go. And now I need to put them all up. But first, I think I'm gonna go get water in my giant that is an echo. My giant water jug. Okay, I'm back, and this actually helped me feel somewhat better, so that's great. I hate to say this because we are like halfway through summer, but I'm really starting to want fall weather, and I'm always like this. Like during spring, I'll be wanting summer, but as soon as summer comes, I'll be wanting fall. I was looking at my jeans and sweatshirts and I'm like, I really wish I could wear this again, because I can't right now because it's like 90 degrees outside. And my university is gorgeous in the fall, so I'm very excited to be going there. It literally looks like Hogwarts. I cannot wait. For now, I just gotta put my jeans back in my closet knowing I'm probably not gonna wear them for a fat minute. So the next part of the room that I want to fix up is my desk. My desk drawer is kind of a catastrophe, but it's gonna stay that way. It's like an inch deep. There is nothing that I can find divider-wise to go in here or organizer-wise to go in here. It doesn't work. It stays a mess. My computer, I'm not really sure where I want to keep it yet. So for now, I'm gonna set it on my bed, but it'll probably go back on my desk. Looks a billion times better. If you know me, you know that I love having different color lights in my room. Even my ceiling lights are connected to my phone so I can change the colors. I have the LED strip lights. The coolest thing about this lamp is it's a friendship lamp. So my boyfriend has the partnered lamp and we can send each other colors that have different codes that we made up. He just moved into college yesterday, 4 hours away. We've been using them the past couple weeks just in our houses and they work really good. So I highly suggest getting one of these if you are in like a long distance relationship, long distance friendship, or even if you and your friends or you and your significant other just want to get them because they're fun. So if you're interested in that, I have a link in the description, so definitely check that out. But yes, back to cleaning. So now I'm gonna work on this section of my room. As you can see, lots of water glasses. I would say my parents' biggest pet peeve is how many glasses I keep in my room. We're gonna fix that. I use lots of storage in my room, right? Right. So I have these roll under the bed bins, but they're so stuffed that I can hardly get them under my bed. Like, that works. This is the last thing I have to do before I get to the fun part of cleaning my room. I have to put everything up from here. It's a good thing that I'm almost done because this room is starting to get really, really warm with my window open. This is my favorite candle scent ever. Whiskey and oak. And it's such a fall flavor, but I love it. It brings me so much joy. On to making my bed, which is the fun part because then everything finally looks clean. So I'm a weirdo and I sleep on top of my comforter, or one of my comforters. It's not even a comforter, it's the inside of a duvet. As soon as I finish recording this, this window is going shut. My weighted blanket. I love my weighted blanket, except for the fact that since it's so warm in my house, I don't really know where I'm gonna put these. Okay, for right now, the lava lamp might have to stay in the other room just because I don't know which outlet I can plug it into. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as it was helpful for me to do. And I hope you got some summer cleaning motivation. I will see you hopefully next week, maybe sooner, with another new video. Bye!